okuva mu bibiina ebyenjawulo ebiwabula gavumenti nabo bakungaanidde wano mu Kampala okubaganya ebirowoozo ku bigenda mu maaso mu ggwanga naddala nga Uganda ejjaguza emyaka 57 kasookedde nga yeesimattula mu bukulembeze bw'abazungu. Abantu ab'enjawulo nga bakulembeddwamu basinkagale b'ebibiina omuli Norbert Mao owa DP, Meja General Mugisha Muntu owa Alliance for National Transformation n'abalala bangi. Bano bagamba nti embeera Uganda gy'erimu si eyo gye bali basuubira.
To be corrupt in Uganda. The systemic corruption is deliberate. It is not by accident.
The losses in public funds, you can track it, you get the bulk of it around State House interference, the bulk of it around Ministry of Finance. So the how is that Ugandans ought to get serious when they go into an election, defend it like their next drop of blood depends on it, vote wisely. Because some of the poorest areas in this country are also the ones that vote 90%, and I can tell you.
But you are not letting us in. I remember your recommendation, sir. You told us, let us shake the table. When we shake the tables, you leave us in jail to rot in jail. I have comrades that I have been with on the struggles of the streets. Who led the Black Mother campaign? Who led the Normal campaign? Who led, I can't mention very many campaigns.
Okusinziira ku bannabyabufuzi bano, ekiseera kituuse eggwanga okufuna abantu abalirumirirwa. Bajjayo ekyokulabirako nti abantu abaddukanya amalwaliro g'eggwanga ate bwe balwala bagenda mitala w'amayanja abaddukanya amasomero ga Uganda ate abaana baabwe si mwe basomera.
Standards of education have gone low because of wrong privatization. At university, as president of the Students' Guild, I was at the forefront of opposing the government swallowing the World Bank IMF structural adjustment program, lock, stock and barrel.
I don't agree that we really don't have people that can manage to offer better services. For me, I think it's a good will. It's how we regulate them.
The government committed to implement early childhood development education through various ministries, and they promised to train teachers who can handle or who should handle this special needs education to the pre-primary kids.
Bano bakubiriza abavubuka obutakoowa kulwanirira nsi yaabwe kubanga era abaali abavubuka be batuusa Uganda ku bwetwaze. Bannabyabufuzi bano basuubiza okusigala nga bateeka akazito ku gavumenti okutuusa nga ekoze ebyo bannayuganda bye beetaaga. Paul Mukiibi, BBS Gambuuze.